Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Bruce in Indiana on its RCI-2970N4. Bruce is ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. Went with the narrow crossband filter to cut down on your bleed over. And I got it ready to go, bud. RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug. 20 watts all the way down. So if you decide to run a big amp, you can set it where you want. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low. 225 bird. 500 watt slug MPEP. Low. And that thing goes right over in the corner. So let's pull that 500 watt slug out. Put the 1000 watt slug in. I'm gonna guess it's probably around 550 or so. Oh, 580. All right, Bruce, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.